Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and just like every day, we are going to update the portfolio today, and I'm going to give you guys an update on what action went on today. I think this is truly the end. Like, we've seen so much red these past 2 weeks, specifically today in this portfolio. This portfolio is at the lowest it's ever been, and my paper losses, I repeat, my paper losses, so none of these losses are actually realized just yet, but my paper losses are so significant that my portfolio did drop around 6.17% today. We are absolutely at rock bottom. Now, the good thing is that we did sell on Ethereum earlier in the morning, and I alerted all the members that I am selling my Ethereum. We bought it at, I believe, $1,490, and we sold it at $1,602. So we are sitting at a little more cash than we were yesterday, and we got a little bit of Ethereum just for sleeping on the night. So that's something that I think was positive. I'm trying to find the positive in all of this, and well, that was the positive, that we made some money on Ethereum overnight, and we are going to continue buying those dips in the cryptocurrencies when we see the opportunity. So that's something that we need to watch out for. It seems like the market has not really found the bottom. A few days ago, we thought the market had found the bottom, but that was not true bottom. Now, with that being said, let's see where we started the day. So we started the day today at $136,000. So below that $141,000 mark where we actually closed out yesterday, we started a little lower, which was okay, expected. And then we went down all the way to $127,000, losing once again $8,400 in the process. Now that is a huge loss, and of course, most of that loss is probably from the options that we held on to. Now, the stocks did go down. You know that we are in some high risk plays when it comes to the stocks, but mostly it was just due to the options. And I'm not worried about the options just because I have so much time on these calls that I'm really not worried about them. But it really hurts to see your portfolio go down when I did not expect this to happen today. I thought the 10-year treasury drama was behind us when clearly it is not behind us. If anything, I think it's just starting, which means I think this whole week is going to be a red week. And I wonder how low this portfolio is going to go. Now, there's a few things that I am glad about. One of them is that I did not transfer any more money into this account, because if I had, I would have been itching to buy stuff today, which I'm not. So, things are looking good. With that being said, let's continue and see what the options look like for today. So Excel Fleet, we are down. Time, we are down as well. Clove, we're down a lot. Apple, we're down the most we've ever been, minus $8,300. Fubo actually had a run up after hours, so I don't think this number is accurate. But according to this, when market closed, we were down $1,870. GM, we're down as well. NEO, down, huge down actually. PLTR, I think we've also recovered, so I don't think this number is accurate, but because Robinhood closes, actually all the brokers close out your options when market closes, so this is the number that we ended up with. Now we're going to go over the really big losses. Now we covered big losses. We're going to cover an entirely new level of losses with Snow. And as you guys can see, this is by far the biggest loss that I have ever had in Snow. And it is $500. That is a huge loss for this portfolio. Neo down big time. Jumia down big time. It's weird because I was up $800 and I actually considered selling Jumia yesterday. I told you guys that in yesterday's video, and I did not sell, and we are down to $141 in profit. This is huge. BNGO down quite a bit, as you guys can see. ACB down, Piton down, Excel Fleet down, NNDM down, MLND and NAK are also down. We're not too worried about those stocks. We're going to exit them once the market turns around. Clove, oh my God, look at the loss on Clove. This is a huge loss, guys. CHEK were down, SRPT down. SRPT, the interesting thing was we were actually up on this stock today, and I thought that I'm going to hold on to it because I think it's about to break out. I think it's at the verge where it's literally about to break out into a profit, but it did go down just because the entire market tanked towards the end of the trading day. TMDI down, Nokia down. Nokia is not actually too down. Let's actually click on Nokia and see where it has closed. And I think it must be right around the $4 mark, and I am correct. So Nokia down, but in the grand scheme of things, not that down. I am once again considering buying some Nokia calls down here. I did say that yesterday. Markets closed right now, obviously, so I can't do that, but I am considering buying some Nokia calls. Now, right after Nokia, we have PCTI. I'm down. TRIT, I'm down. Lightbridge closed in the green today, as you guys can see, but still down on Lightbridge. VGAC is probably the biggest loser now in this portfolio. Excel fleet has been pushed aside. VGAC is the official biggest loser of this portfolio, and I don't know when it's going to recover. I have 600 shares in VGAC. We need some catalyst in VGAC for it to move forward. Now it's going to turn around and go up really high, really fast. We just need some good news and a catalyst for that stock to really turn around. PLTR heading up after hours, but still down. Now, PLTR was at a buy today at 23 and change. I did mention that in yesterday's video. So if you guys were watching yesterday's video and entered PLTR at $23 and change, congratulations. I think that is true bottom for PLTR. It may go down a little bit more, just depending on how the market acts this week, but I think that is a great entry point nonetheless in PLTR. WWR down, FUBU down as well, GNOG down, NGAC down, and continuing with the portfolio, I'm just going to go over it entirely. Continuing with this portfolio, everything is currently in the red. Tesla is at the lowest point ever. I thought my entry level for Tesla would be at this point, but it seems like it is not going to be at this point, and we're going to wait till this Friday to see if we can enter Tesla for a little cheaper. AGTC down, NSPR down as well, SFTW down, RAAC down. Now these last three companies that I just went over are all good companies, and I am going to be adding positions in them. So I am going to be funding this account sometime very soon, and I am going to be adding more positions into these three companies. With that being said, let's quickly go over the crypto. So Doge, I am down, nothing really to be concerned about, minus $29, not a big deal. Bitcoin, I am up $8,400, and that is because Bitcoin is holding above 50,000 right now. And with that, I'm going to go over the trade that I made on Ethereum. So Ethereum is currently at 1592. I just want to scroll down really quickly and show you guys our trades for Ethereum. So Ethereum, we did buy at 1479, and if I click here on show more, you will be able to see that we exited Ethereum. So for whatever reason, I couldn't find the sell on Ethereum, but we did buy Ethereum for $5,012 at $14.79, and we ended up selling it earlier in the morning today at $1,600. So we made a little bit of a profit on Ethereum on $5,000 worth of trading. So it must have been like, I guess, a couple $100, nothing more than that. And in the process, I did end up getting a little more Ethereum into my account. So good trade on Ethereum. That was the only trade I made today, and I alerted the members of that. Once again, if you guys want to be members and become a part of this amazing community and get my buy sell alerts every single day, just hit that join button. It's right next to the subscribe button, and you guys will get my alerts as I enter and exit all these positions. So yeah, guys, that is my portfolio for today. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are not hurting as much as I am, but even though we are hurting, we are in this together, and these at the moment are just paper losses. So we're going to hold on to them, and we're going to turn this around, and hopefully this portfolio is going to get to that $200,000 mark sooner than we know it. Just like that, my name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.